Welcome to FIU AK2000C Touchscreen and Button Introduction. First, let's come to the touchscreen introduction. Tap the icon on the home page to switch the modes among lock mode, follow mode, all follow mode, and pan mode. Swipe the screen to the left. Tap Selfie. The gimbal will enter selfie mode. Hold gimbal horizontally. Swipe the screen to the left. Select Portrait mode. The gimbal enter Portrait mode. Tap again to quit. Swipe the screen to the left. Select Inception mode. Select the appropriate rotation direction and number of turns. The gimbal starts auto rotation. Swipe the screen to the right to quit. Next, let's come to the button introduction. Power button. Long press power button to power on the gimbal. Single tap the power button to lock the screen. It can prevent touching by mistake. Single tap again to unlock the screen. Double tap the power button to enter standby mode. Tap the power button to wake up. Tap the power button while in the submenu to return to the main interface. Joystick. Move the joystick and adjust the lens direction. In the setting interface, it can be used for adjusting parameters. Mode button. Single tap mode button to enter lock mode. Double tap the mode button to enter follow mode. Triple tap mode button to enter all follow mode. Tap again to enter pan mode. Trigger button. Press the trigger button to enter follow mode. Double tap trigger button to recenter gimbal. Triple tap trigger button to enter or quit selfie mode. Function button. Single tap function button to switch between photo mode and video mode. Shutter button. Halfway press the shutter button to control focus. Click to take photo and start recording. Long press shutter button for 5 seconds. Gimbal enters continuous shooting mode. Default 5 seconds, PCS. Single tap shutter button to quit.